So hello everyone, we are having this basically the question of ourselves with of ellipse. Okay, so we are just going to solve this question. So this is basically our question. So what the question is saying that if the eccentricity of two ellipses are given, two ellipses that means this is basically a particular ellipse and that is also a particular ellipse. So first let's write what it is written x square plus 169 plus y square 125 is equal to 1. So this is representing a particular ellipse and that will represent a particular ellipse. Supposingly this is x square upon e square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Okay. So that's for another ellipse and this is for another ellipse. Okay. So what it is saying that eccentricity of both of them is coming out to be equal. So if I just calculated the eccentricity of it, so a square is basically given over here as to be 169 and b square it would be given as to be 25. Okay, if I calculated the a from here, then the value of a I would be getting would be 13, and from here the value of b I would be getting 5, because in the ellipse this is considered as to be what? In the ellipse this is considered as to be the a major axis, and this is very basically considered as to be the minor axis. If I just calculated a over here, so it is going to be the same a square minor axis and b square is basically the major and the minor axis. If I just apply the relation between the eccentricity a and b, then the relation basically say that b square is equal to a square 1 minus of e square. Okay. So if I just apply this relation over here, then let's see what I'm gonna get. Okay. So b square, what is b square over here? 25 is equal to a square. A square is 169, 1 minus of e square. Okay. So I just want to get e square from here, minus 169 e square. So 169 of e square is equal to 169 minus of 25. So 169 e square would be equal to 4 and 4 and then 1 again. So e square I would be getting 144 upon 169. But I want the value of e only, not the e square. Okay, so I would be getting 12 upon 13 over here. So the value of e for the first ellipse I got this 12 upon 13. Now I'm just going to calculate for this. For this b square, here the same relation would be valid also, that b square is equal to a square 1 minus of e square. Okay. So b square would be equal to a square minus of a square e square. Okay. So a square e square would be equal to a square minus of b square. Okay. So e square would be coming out to be a square minus of b square upon a square. If I calculated the value of only e, then I will be getting what? Under root of a square minus of b square upon a square. Okay. This is what I'm just getting. Okay. So this is what if I'm getting, then I should relate. I should but what I should do? I must do the to equate both of them. Okay. So I'm just gonna equate. So 12. What happened to it? Okay, so we got this relation. Now what we need to do is to just equate both of the eccentricity, because in the question it is saying that eccentricity of both the ellipses are coming out to be same. So if I equate this e1 and e2, let's suppose I am just taking it as to be e1 and this is e2, then what's going to happen is that under root of what? Under root of a square minus of b square upon a square coming out to be 12 upon 13. I'm just going to get from here, a square minus of b square upon a square is coming out to be 144 upon 169. So from here also I could get a relation that a square minus of b square is equal to 169 of a square minus of b square would be equal to 144 a square. Okay. So 169 of a square minus of 169 of b square would be equal to 144 of a square. Okay. So 169 of a square minus of 144 of a square would be equal to 169 of b square. Okay. So this would be 5 and 6 minus 4 would be equal to 2. A square would be equal to 169 on B square. Okay. So A square upon B square, I'm just going to get what? 169 upon 25. Now here it is asking the value of A upon B. So you just need to take the under root from both of the sides. So what you need to do, A upon B is equal to 13 upon 5. Okay. So this is what we are just getting. The value of A upon B is coming out to be 13 upon 5. So answer option C is going to be our correct answer. So this was all for this video. This we will be discussing in another part.